Hey there, I'm Mentor. My goal is to give you free access to premium betting apps. Today, we're unlocking a top-rated app on Play Store has 4.7 stars and offers accurate betting tips, saving you up to $185 a month while enjoying you lifetime access. So let's get started on unlocking VIP tips. First, open the Play Store or App Store and search for favorite betting tips. It should look like this, then click Install. Even. Remember to install MT Manager. You'll need MT Manager for modifications. It's not available on the Play Store, but you can find it on third-party stores like UpToDown. Install it before moving forward. Once the favorite betting tips app is installed, we're ready to modify it. App offer free tip, but we want to unlock VIP tips. Follow each step carefully and watch until the end to ensure it works. 1. Open MT Manager on your phone. 2. Tap on the three dots menu. 3. Click Extract APK and select Betting Tips Expert. 4. Once extracted, locate the APK file. 5. Click on the Betting Tips Expert app and select View. 6. Then click on Base.apk. Then, follow the steps to mod app code. 1. Open the classes folder. 2. Select all classes and click OK. 3. Tap on the strings button and then for filter search for by. Do this twice. 4. Open this folder. 5. Locate line 316. 'Then deep click on Get Correct. 6. If you know a bit about programming, you'll see that we need to add the Boolean expression. 7. Under line 67, add this expression as you see on your screen. 8. Once done, click Save, then tap back twice and wait for compilation. Now that we've modified the app, we need to install it. First, uninstall the original app from your phone. Click OK to confirm uninstallation. Now, we need to convert the modified APKs to APK and use AutoSign to signing it. You can even use a custom sign or the default sign provided by MT Manager VIP. You'll now see a new signed version of the app. Go ahead and install it. Once installed, open the app and check if VIP is unlocked. Boom! It's done. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments which other apps you'd like me to modify. I'll make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching.